Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the precise YouTube link you intend to use. Copy it from the address bar or the video share menu. Once done, verify the link format watch, v equals or short udo, b, so Roblox handles it correctly. Next, open Roblox Studio and load the place or GUI where players need the link. You want to be in edit mode now because you'll paste and test the link immediately into a text label or a script. This eliminates guesswork and keeps testing fast and repeatable. Now you add the link into the game interface. Place a text label or text button in Starter GUI so every player inherits it. Then paste the copied YouTube URL into the text property or put it in a string value for cleaner code separation. Next, attach a local script to the button that listens for activated or mouse button one click. When triggered, the script calls GUI functions to show the link and prompt the player. Make sure to use local script because only the client can request external navigation, and keep the URL in one clean variable for future edits. Finish by testing as a client inside Studio. Click the GUI element and confirm the URL opens or displays correctly. If nothing happens, make sure Roblox isn't blocking external navigation due to policy or malformed HTTP versus HTTPS. Also confirm you used a local script and not a server script. If problems persist, add print statements and warnings in the local script to reveal execution flow and variable contents. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the exact string you stored. Extra spaces or hidden characters often break link handling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.